Hello, my name's Don and I'm going to give a quick update on some new features of the application I've written called NaoScript. It's available in the Now store to download to the Now robot. It's on the on the Now developer website you can click the My Now tab and see the widget. If you don't already know what NaoScript is, go back to YouTube and search for NaoScript 2. And that video will walk you through what it is and all of its features. If you do know what it is, I'm going to give a quick highlight on some new stuff that I've built into it. So jumping in, if I click on the widget, it brings up the application that you should be familiar with already. And I wanted to point out that now up in the upper right hand corner is a browse link that you can click, and it will show you all of the scripts you've written and ones that other people have written. And I've scripted a number of animations, jumping into this lightsaber fight one, for example. I've also added the audio play option to the API so that you can grab MP3s off the web, send them to Now, and it will play the audio. In this case, it would play the Star Wars theme song. Another feature that's been really useful is as I've written these scripts, imagine I've written up to line 15, I click the Send to Now button and it remotely executes the script against the robot. And then say I write a few more lines and Now is currently at this position. You can now highlight the lines and click Send to Now, and it will only send the lines that you highlighted. This is really useful for scripting an animation one piece at a time as you go. So that's that. Jumping over to, also if you click Overview, you can get an overview of all the different things that you can do with NaoScript. It shows you it piece by piece, so it's pretty useful. Jumping over to Choreographe, you can use NaoScript in Choreographe. So if I click on a behavior like lightsaber fight, I can see now the ID is 23 up here. I can save that ID or copy it and jump over to Choreographe. And before I do that, NaoScript is built on top of a Python library that I wrote called Fluent Now. So if you go search the Now developer website, you'll find the Fluent Now project. And then over here underneath downloads, you'll see I've got a box library and an example behavior that you can use. So using that box library, it will give you two boxes, one that runs async and one that's synchronized so that multiple scripts don't run at the same time. And what's useful about using this in Choreographe is that, if I want now to play a Now script, like I mentioned, inside of the widget, if I'm viewing the script, I'm going to jump in there again, like lightsaber fight, I can grab that ID number 23, come in here to this box, click the little tool, put 23 in there, hit OK, wire it up, and when I play, it will actually go and fetch that behavior off of the NaoScript website and run it inside of Choreographe or against your robot, or you can save the behavior or use any of the standard features. But what I've been finding really useful about this is right now NaoScript doesn't handle any of the sensing or any of that. So if I wanted to tie this lightsaber fight to a bumper, I could drop the standard bumper box in here, say when Now kicks off, load up the bumpers, and if you touch the left foot, then run that behavior. And if you touch the right foot, we can go back here, click browse, grab another one like put him to sleep, and that's ID number 24. So I'll copy that, go back here, edit the second box, and put 24 in there. So now if you touch the left foot, he'll do a lightsaber fight. If you touch the right foot, he'll go to sleep. And if you keep hitting the feet, like keep pushing the bumpers over and over, that's what that sync box will do. It will make sure that the animation, only one animation runs at a time, and it's not causing the script to run concurrently 5 or 6 times. So the async one though will not will not block. So if you drop that one in there, you can run two NaoScript behaviors at the exact same time. So that's what I've got. I hope you'll try it out. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much.